Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to install WordPress manually in CyberPanel. Go to the website menu, and click on List Websites. Select it from the list. Click on File Manager next to your domain name. This will open the file directory for your website. Navigate to the public HTML folder, as this is where WordPress will be installed. Visit WordPress site for, download the latest version of WordPress as a zip file. Back in the File Manager. Upload the WordPress zip file to the public HTML folder. After the upload is complete, right-click on the file, and choose Extract. Once extracted, move all the files from the WordPress folder into the public HTML root directory. Now the zip file. Delete from the public folder. In CyberPanel, navigate to the Database menu. And select Create Database. Enter a name for your database, along with a username and password. Keep these details handy, as we'll need them in the next step. Now, open your domain in a web browser. This will launch the WordPress installation wizard. Select your preferred language. Click Let's Go. Enter your database name, username, and password in the corresponding fields. Submit. Click Run the installation. Fill in your site title, admin username, password, and email address. Click Install WordPress to finalize the setup. Once the installation is complete, log into your WordPress dashboard, using the credentials you just created. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress manually in CyberPanel. Your site is now ready for customization and content creation. Happy building!